This video is brought to you by Unique. Today I will show you my favorite Apple Watch accessories I've been using over the last year or so. Some of them were sent to me, others I have cultivated myself, yet all of them are worth checking out and have my stamp of approval. As always, all the links will be in the description below. Starting off with chargers, ranking them up in terms of versatility. The Nomad Base One Max charger is like Iron Man's Mark 38 Igor heavy lifting suit. It weighs a whopping 2 pounds or 900 grams for a good reason. It stays anchored to its surface whenever you interact with it, giving you the confidence to lift up your phone and watch without having to tinker and reposition it later. Of all the chargers I've had and used, this one has the most premium feel and vibe. It provides 15 watts of power to the central MagSafe station and 5 watts on the Apple Watch. It sits like a piece of art on any desk and nightstand, and it comes in 3 colors, one of which is a limited edition gold, by the way. The price is $150, which is a bit more than the other items on the list I have prepared. One thing you can be sure about this charger is that it will age like a fine bottle of wine. Okay, so you might have seen the next charger in my recent iPad desk setup video, which I'll link at the end of this one. It is by a company called UGREEN. It's a bit more versatile than the Nomad charger because it can charge 3 devices at the same time: the Apple Watch, iPhone and AirPods. It has a sleek design and some handy adjustments providing 25 watts of power. The adjustments in question start with the iPhone puck, where you can tilt it quite a bit, making it ideal for enjoying or monitoring your iPhone while sitting on a desk. Meanwhile, the Apple Watch base offers both flat and elevated positions, which makes it perfect for any band or strap. The clever spring release of the Apple Watch charger is very satisfying, by the way. The UGREEN charger costs $130, which covers almost all your charging needs, but remember that you can expect the anchored situation from before because it's relatively lightweight. Mixing lightweight with portable, the Apple MagSafe Duo charger swings in to steal the pocketable segment of versatile chargers. I carry this charger everywhere I go because it's incredibly light and slim even when folded. It provides up to 14 watts of peak power delivery on the smartphone half and again 5 watts on the Apple Watch half, and just like UGREEN, it also equips 2 charging positions for the watch. You've probably noticed by this time that none of the Apple Watch chargers support the faster charging capabilities of the Series 7. At this point, we're still waiting for companies to start integrating the fast charging solution. Nevertheless, this pearl white duo charger is very durable. Despite being abused in my backpacks and pouches, it retains its glorious white color, and if it gets dirty, all I have to do is use a damp cloth to clean it. It costs $130, which is worth it, especially if you are a frequent traveler. The versatility charging king in my possession is the Pitaka MagEZ slider. You get an unimaginable list of features for the same price as the Apple Duo charger. Before we get to them, however, it is worth pointing out that out of all the chargers mentioned, only the Pitaka MagEZ slider comes with a power brick included in the box. For the rest, you'll have to look for a 25 watt plus solution. So the MagEZ slider is first and foremost a fidget spinner. You can swing it around the desk and get instant satisfaction thanks to the built-in ratchet. More importantly, this charger can charge the iPhone on the front and the AirPods on the back, while also topping up the Apple Watch on the side thanks to its removable charging power dongle. This dongle can be purchased separately and used to provide juice to your Apple Watch, no matter the source. When the dongle is now plugged into the charger, the available USB-C port can be used with a cable to deliver power to any other device. The front iPhone attachment is a removable power bank that holds 5000 mAh of portable juice. I don't know, but I think for $130 you can hardly get anything more versatile than the MagEZ slider. Now, before we get into bands and straps, I'd like to quickly point out the Apple Watch in question. I actually have 2. My trusty Apple Watch Series 4 has been used ever since it was released in 2018. Still, I have recently retired it to be primarily used for workouts and other more hazardous around the house work because the battery struggles to hold a charge. I also picked up my newest Apple Watch Series 7 in gold stainless steel because I wanted a more premium looking smartwatch. This hefty gold version doesn't disappoint. That said, the bands that I use match the aesthetics of the older black version as well as the gold one. By the way, if you end up enjoying this video, subscribe, because why not? Now, Moving on to bands and straps. This time I'd like to start with the most versatile range of transformer straps, as I like to call them, by a company called UGREEN. The Revix bands are some of the most versatile straps I've used because one reversible strap provides 3 ways to wear it. These UV-treated silicone watch straps are designed to resist sweat and dust adhesion. They're also breathable, making them ideal for sports and workouts. I love them because they're lightweight and washable, making them perfect for casual wear and hitting the gym. I might start the day subtle, wearing a dark gray, and later on switch into my favorite orange color on the fly. Suppose I want to change the overall look of my watch and add a bit more protection. In that case, UGREEN's Valencia case is the ideal accessory. It shields the exterior edges of the Apple Watch, and at the same time, the snap-on design allows me to install the case without even removing the strap. Both UGREEN's bands and cases complement the Apple Watch colors, so check out the first link in the description below to grab your pair today. The Nomad Slim Band in rustic brown is a classic leather band that I enjoy switching to every once in a while. It is incredibly light, and the custom black stainless steel hardware looks fantastic with both the black and the gold watch, creating an excellent match. It is more unpretentious yet confident looking, ideal for casual wear during all seasons. It costs $80, and you can be sure you can call yours when it starts developing a rugged patina. The more sophisticated version of the Slim Band is Nomad's traditional band, which is lined by a soft leather backing and held together by a durable linen thread. The metal injection molded black buckle and lugs complement the stainless steel gold watch, emitting sophistication and making it the ultimate business casual band. Just like the modern Slim Band, it is not designed to get wet. On another note, all the bands and straps I've mentioned so far can be used when working on the laptop, where you can be sure that they won't be scratching or scuffing the aluminum chassis of the expensive machine. Even the Nomad bands with their stainless steel hardware are okay to work with because the hardware remains on the side when leaning the wrist on a MacBook Pro. That said, the following bands cannot be used when working directly on the laptop. The first one in question is a band that I purchased locally, and I'll try to find a decent alternative to put in the description below. This is a black leather band with a butterfly deployment clasp, where the hardware is bright gold. I picked this band to wear only on tux occasions, and as you can probably see, I haven't worn it enough to break the leather. This band should definitely stay away from water and most of all, from the laptop. Next up is Nomad's titanium band. I actually have a separate video on it, which I'll link at the end. This is a 99% pure titanium band with a custom magnetic clasp, adjustable links, and integrated lugs. Upon purchasing it, you get a tool to adjust the length. I've been wearing this band a lot, and let me tell you this is the fastest band to put on and remove thanks to the clasp. It is perfectly weighted to keep your watch attached to the skin while providing the incredible freedom of a metal band. It is one of the most expensive bands in my collection, coming in at I think $250. Still, it is almost half the price of Apple's black link bracelet alternative, which is not titanium. Okay, moving on. Ever since I got the Series 7, despite being deemed the most durable Apple Watch, I wanted to protect it from some accidental screen scratches, and for that purpose I got a NEO Flex protector from Spigen. This film protector requires a wet installation process, which might seem a bit weird at first. However, it is almost invisible to the naked eye and self-heals. I've scratched it a few times, and I was pleasantly surprised to see the scratches gone the next day. It stretches to almost the entire screen of the watch, and for around $12 I got 3 protectors in one package, which is nice. It does leave more fingerprints than a naked screen, and it also requires leaving the device to dry overnight once installed, but hey, it's quite nice. If you have the Apple Watch Series 7 and you want to retain the ability to fast charge at 7 watts, you can think of an inexpensive stand solution like the one here. Now, I've had this one for over 5 years, maybe more, and it is nothing more than a stainless steel stand that accommodates the charger. Now, if you enjoyed this video, chances are you might appreciate my favorite iPad Pro accessories compilation that I released recently. In the meantime, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel and to my weekly newsletter, by the way. As always, it's been an absolute pleasure. This is E, over and out.